Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today is the April favorites. I don't think I did a March favorites, which is very unfortunate, but I don't know, the time is passing and I'm kind of losing track. Anyway, I didn't want to make a designated video just to show you this product. So I will do a video when I start using it, but I haven't had a chance already. This is a new product from Schmincke. It's called Liquid Charcoal, and there are 3 colors. I picked up the Cherry Pit Black, which is just like a warmer kind of black that spoke to me more than the other 2 that were, I think one was kind of a neutral one and then one was cooler and didn't really appeal to me. So this product is not like a Schmincke invention. There's another brand, I think Vitram is the name, that has this. I haven't tried that one, but yeah. So these come in a tube. They are vegan. It's a 35 milliliter tube, and I will get back to you on what it does, how it looks. Actually, you know, we can just see how it looks. So I haven't used this at all. I haven't had the chance. What I want to do is put some of it in a little pan and see if it's easily like reconstituted, because that's how I use most of these kind of products. And if I can just like add it to my watercolor palette, that would be the kind of ideal situation for me. So let's just see how it looks. So charcoal, as you know, it's like a super traditional product, been around for ages, very, very light, fast, comes in a lot of different formats, and actually I will be doing a video dedicated to all my charcoal products in the Use It or Lose It series, and I will include this one there as well. But you can see you can apply it quite heavily, and then you can very easily water it out. This is straight from the tube. Again, I don't know how this will behave once it's dry, if it's easily activated. We'll have to see. But this, you know, it's like, I guess if you want to do sketches with charcoal, then it's quite a cleaner way of doing that. Especially if you like using charcoal and then adding water to it, which a lot of people do. There's also a product that is just like charcoal powder, not like a stick or anything, which I think the sticks and maybe the pencils are the most like popular ways of using charcoal. But there's also powder, which looks like a very, you know, fun and messy and yeah, just like a very like loose way of using charcoal, but it's super, super messy. There's no way I'm putting anything like that in my room. Between myself, 2 kids and 2 cats, no. So this is how it looks. I kind of like it. I mean, the lighter parts definitely remind me of like a granulating watercolor, which I do enjoy. So yeah, looking forward to exploring this product more. Now let's get into this month's favorite. So I'm going to start with maybe something a little bit different. This is the March Color Story, Color Club, whatever you want to call it. I started this new series. I already recorded the April video. I won't show you that one. If you want to see that, then check out that video. I'm not sure which one will go first, but they will be very close together. So basically what I did is I chose a limited color palette, and then I used it for the majority of the month, like predominantly these colors, and it was fantastic. First of all, I really, really love the colors here. I love the everything, and especially like all the kind of interesting neutrals that I can get. And this was very helpful when I was filming all of the Use It or Lose It series videos, because I didn't have to think about the watercolor part. I could really focus on the other products that I was testing and playing with. And I had this go-to color story that I really, really love and makes me really happy. So this was a big success. If you want to know what this is a Khadi Logbook, it's called. I really love it. The size of it is perfect, and it has like a ton of paper, which makes it really, really perfect for like a reference swatch book type of thing. The paper quality is pretty bad. It's kind of like thin paper, kind of has that feel of like recycled paper. It handles water okay, it doesn't disintegrate, it doesn't bleed or anything like that, but I wouldn't like use it as a proper sketchbook. It's just, I think for like light washes and color swatches, it's perfect. So that's where I think it really shines, and for that purpose, it's really, really perfect, because I don't feel like I need anything more. I don't want to get precious with this, and this gives me like so many pages, and it's very easy to keep on hand. And you know, even if like when I go through this and I buy another one, and I will buy another one when I go through this, it'll be really, really cute to just have these little booklets. So really, really enjoying this book for that purpose. I wouldn't recommend it as like a sketchbook if you, you know, if you really want to focus on watercolors. So that's a favorite. If you want to see all of the colors here, what everything is, then just go to that video. I don't want to make this longer than it needs to be. Then next item is this beautiful water container from Jackson's, which this is the side of it. So you can see it's like beautifully ornated, decorated. It's just a really lovely design. It has 3 wells, as you can see, one larger one and then 2 smaller ones. I am really enjoying it. It's just a really pretty decorative item to have. And my only issue with it is that it does stain. I don't know, I tried like scrubbing it with regular soap. It didn't get rid of everything. So we'll see. That's the only problem I can find with it. Besides that, I really, really love it. Let's go to brushes. This was really the one that I enjoyed the most. This is the Wangi, I can't remember how to pronounce it, orange synthetic brush. The bristles are, I get a lot of questions. So the bristles are 4 centimeters long, which I think is roughly 1.5 inches. And if you are not familiar with the Tracy Lebenzon brushes, this is a Tracy Lebenzon brush. These are handmade. The other big one that I really, really love is the large soft white synthetic, but this one is double the price. Although if you use my name, you will get a 20% off discount. But this has been kind of the month's favorite, and it's just lovely. The length of the bristles is really perfect for me, and also these kind of bristles, the orange ones, they don't hold too much water, which for my style works well, because if I get like a lot of big puddles, yeah, that's I don't like that look. But this allows me to apply enough color, like intense color, and also create really beautiful expressive strokes that are delicate. So it's a very, very versatile brush, and I've really enjoyed it this month. Next, we have the Neocolor ones. I know I have mentioned these in previous videos, but I think one of the strengths of this kind of video, like a monthly favorite, is to really continue to highlight products that continue to perform well and work for you, and that is why I'm mentioning these. I swatched all of the ones that I have in a dedicated video. I use these as a first sketch for the most part when I'm painting with watercolors. It allows me to then go in with watercolors in a way that really works for me. I can really play with color mixtures because of the resist. So where I put the color, it's usually restricted to like a smaller area. It doesn't flow around too much, and I really love those color variations. So having that kind of resist works really well for me. This is, I think, the best product that I have found for this purpose. Pencils are not like, they don't deposit enough product to create a good resist, even if the pencil is great. These are just thicker, so it just applies more product. And because of their formulation, this kind of wax hard pastel, they don't move around. I don't worry when I put watercolor on top that the product will get on my watercolor brushes. This doesn't happen. It does happen with something like oil pastels, like something that is really, really soft. The brush does pick up that, but it doesn't happen with these, and for that reason they are perfect for that first layer of resist. The one I use the most for sure is the white one. So I wanted to mention these. And then from the lessons I've learned in this month's episodes of Use It or Lose It, the product that really shone for me were the oil pastels. And I have used them on several paintings since playing with them in that video in the series. I also started using more the pastel pencils, but I can't tell you that I've used them enough to declare them a monthly favorites, but these definitely are. And just a few of the colors that really, I think it's always kind of frustrating when someone shares their favorite, and if you want to pick up a few, you're out like $200 or something like this, or, a lot of money. So I just want to highlight a few of the colors. I have the 24 Portrait Assorted colors from Sennelier. And then I also have a few colors that I bought open stock from Caran, the Neopastel. As for the formula, I do prefer the slightly softer Sennelier ones, but because I have one curated set that I didn't pick the colors, and then the Neopastel, I just have a few that I picked, even though I picked them several years ago. The colors that I chose are really kind of my colors. So color-wise, I do prefer the ones I picked from the Neopastel. You can see it's just like really lovely colors. From the Sennelier one, I do want to mention the gold. I think the gold is incredible. It's called, is it something weird or is it just called gold? Number 132. I can't really see a name here. But it's like a really kind of, there, looks like this. It's kind of a warm yellow gold. I really, really love it. And then another color that just is so gorgeous is this one. This is 227. And it's just like an ultramarine. It's a really beautiful blue. I don't see a name. It has the pigments. It's PB29, which is ultramarine blue, PW6, which is white, and PV15, so a little bit of purple here. And it's just lovely. And then this color is also really pretty, and it's kind of similar to the salmon from the Caran Neopastel. Oh, this one I really, really liked, so I'll just mention this one. This is light purple violet, and I'll show you how it looks. Wait, I can actually show you all of my favorites. So this is light purple violet. It looks like this. It's giving me cobalt violet vibes. And then the gold I showed you, and then this is 227 from Sennelier. This is the blue that I really like. Isn't that lovely? So you can see it's a slightly purplish, lighter ultramarine. And then I have also a sky blue from the Neopastel. Yeah, they're quite soft. I think if you find colors that you love in one range versus the other, I wouldn't, be like super, super insistent on just picking one or the other. I would go with colors. This is just such a lovely yellow. I know I'm getting carried away. This is number 21. And this is another favorite color, although I haven't used it much. But this one is 209, and it's like a violet, like a violet umber or something, like a very muted violet color, almost a taupe, I would say. And I think those are the ones that spoke to me the most this month. Yeah, Okay, so oil pastels. Okay, I think that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful and inspiring. And I will see you soon in another video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.